Hello my friends, in this short video I would like to make a comparison of Lume on the watches that I reviewed so far on this channel. Actually every watch that I reviewed on this channel so far has a Lume on the dial. Unlike in other comparisons on this channel, here I can actually pick the winner since this is pretty measurable. Reviews of all of these watches are on this channel, so please feel free to check them out. And let's start with this first shot. So here we have from the left Damasko DA38, Omega Seamaster Aqua Terra 150M, Omega Seamaster 300M Ceramic, Heuer Aquaracer Calibre 5 WAY211A, and Seiko SKX009. So the brightest lume of these watches is definitely on Seiko SKX009, which is a clear winner, and that is quite interesting since it is more than 5 times cheaper than the second cheapest watch here. It has both the largest surface covered with super luminova, and it is also the brightest one, and it lasts the longest. In this picture, Heuer Aquaracer Calibre 5 is the second brightest, even though it doesn't look like that here, because it is a bit further from the camera. Also very bright, big surfaced, and it lasts approximately as long as Seiko. Omega Seamaster 300M is actually very close to Aquaracer, which is a bit surprising since the surface on hands covered with luminova is quite small, but brightness is excellent, so in reality it is pretty close to Aquaracer, but Aquaracer is still just a bit ahead. Next is the Omega Seamaster Aqua Terra that has bright lume, but the surface is very small, which means that overall it is not so impressive, although in most real-life situations you will be able to tell the time without any problems. Big downside is that 12-hour marker is not distinguished from other markers, so orientation on the dial is more difficult. And the last is the Damasko, which is quite a disappointment because it is otherwise a great tool watch, but lume doesn't match the other characteristics of this watch. Surface on the hands is quite large, but brightness is clearly the worst. And on this shot you can't actually see the dots next to hour markers, but at least there is the triangle at 3 o'clock to help you to navigate on the dial. Now let's compare the two Aquaracers that we had on this channel. The lume is generally very good on both. There is a bit bigger surface on the Aquaracer WAY211A on the left, so in reality it is a bit brighter and lasts a bit longer, but on WAY211-0 on the right visibility is no issue at all. Now let's take a look at the Rolex Submariner with Maxi dial. The lume is very bright, visibility is great. This one has the older green lume since this is the Kermit, but it definitely doesn't disappoint, and the dial layout is great for easy orientation. Comparing it to Seamaster 300M, by the way there will be full comparison video next week, the Seamaster is a pleasant surprise again. It is not worse despite the skeleton hands, and even after some time it at least matches the great visibility of Submariner. Then we have the pilot's watch made in Slovakia, the Biatec Corsair 01, with stunning blue lume that is very bright. The hour indexes are fully filled with lume, so orientation is no problem. Even the small seconds hand is clearly visible, so no complaints here at all, very impressive. Last but not least we have Tisell Pilot's watch, also with blue lume, very bright, indices are also filled. It is not quite as strong as Biatec, but very good lume overall. And now results of my test from the last place to the first. So on the 7th place we have the Damasko DA38. On the 6th place Omega Seamaster Aqua Terra 150M. On the 5th place Tisell Pilot's watch. On the 4th place Heuer Aquaracer Calibre 5 WAY211-0. But that was very close to the 3rd place. On the shared 3rd place is Omega Seamaster Professional 300M and Rolex Submariner Kermit. On the shared 2nd place is Biatec Corsair 01 and Heuer Aquaracer Calibre 5 WAY211A. And on the 1st place, the winner of this test is Seiko SKX009. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you liked this video and that you found it useful. Please subscribe for more videos like this. I always appreciate your feedback in form of thumbs up or thumbs down. If you would like to ask anything or share your opinion, please do so in the comment section, and see you next time.